Yeah, go with him.
This is me and Karen, my nephew.
Yeah,
I'm the nephew.
and
I have 4 nephews, guys. 4.
but one of them is up over there, hearing phones, and
He just does not get off.
And he has a sister,
Headphone.
and she's up there. I don't know what she's doing. Maybe she's watching TV and laying down on the sofa.
Well, I
okay.
have a baby brother. I might take a video of him. I might.
Michael, he says he's so adorable, and he is.
I'm gonna send this video pictures of him. Maybe if I have the time to edit it. Okay.
And we're gonna do a slideshow.
And he talks so adorable.
And his hairstyle, his chubbiness.
Sorry, guys, but
My baby brother cried for me. Cries for him.
sorry. If you don't know that and you don't care, leave a comment down below.
And ask questions about his life. Or, not really.
Like if I know a little bit, I know a little bit of hardcore. Like I can't run up walls yet. I'm about to.
Okay,
do that.
so we're gonna, what are we gonna
the
do?
video right now? In 1, 2.
3.
Alright, we're gonna have to.
Okay, go.
Okay, go put the video.
That's right.
Okay, guys. Remember we showed everything. I did a little parkour. Now, we're gonna show you around the whole place or around the block. You can.
Not really, because it's actually scary right here, because one time we went over there to take out the trash. There was a freaking clown right there.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
It was gonna kill us.
Okay, we're gonna go to the alley for the first check.
Let's go. This side.
Wait, come here. And also you guys are werewolves.
What?
And you guys are also werewolves.
Oh, no, we're not. You liar. We were just making a prank on you. Okay? Don't believe her. Okay. This is the alley. It's so dirty. Steven, I see you. Okay. Stop being up. Hurry. Hurry. Yes, we're right here.
We're gonna have to-
And those are one of our friends, Diana, Vivi. Okay, so I'm leaving your lock out. My sister. Is she coming? Oh, she got locked. She left. This is Steven.
Came up here right now. Well, I mean, now we're gonna show this.
This is weird.
Look. No, don't go. Alright, no one lives here.
But they could be people living here.
Okay, show it that. Now what should
Okay, this is dirty. Sorry, I was gonna open the door, but you never came.
Okay, guys, this is a joke.
Your face
Sorry,
though.
guys.
We were just like kind of doing a prank on her.
Sorry, guys, but you're going to see me lock myself, and I'm gonna go climb up. Come on, let's go.
Alright.
Wait, what are you gonna? Okay, let's show her. She said she could climb up, but she's locked the door. Well, supposedly she's saying that she could climb out when she's locked out. Let's see. Let's see. Serious. Okay.
Alright, she's gonna come back. I know how to do this, but I just want
You
to
do
show
not
you guys.
know.
Sorry.
You do not know. I'm just like.
She knows this because
I know this, but I need shoes for that. Just like I need shoes.
it's because she got taught by my older nephew, which is 12 and I'm 10. He showed her how to do this.
Stop! Ow! Ow!
Okay, little sibling, or whatever your name
Stop
is,
doing
Carlos,
this.
stop, okay? Okay, his name is Carlos. See, if you see this, if Costa see this, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
Okay,
We're gonna do
okay.
some funny stuff while we're doing this.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, run.
No, stop running.
Done. Done. Sorry?
He was gonna throw a rock at us.
Okay, guys, if he hits with the rock, shoot him. Shoot him.
No, I won't.
I'm just kidding.
Carlos, you can play.
He's just a little kid.
Okay, stop talking about him. He's gonna get mad.
All right, let's go. Do some.
He threw it at me. He's getting away.
Alright, guys, he's actually not tasty good.
But he's gonna chase us. You see? He was gonna throw it to her head. That's out. That's out. Throw it. Throw away. Wait, this kid likes PJ Masks. He likes Gecko, Catboy, Outlet.
And so we have
the ball. 100 likes.
I'm gonna be up here. Just saying. I'm gonna go up here.
100 likes if I kick the ball really high.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I have my sandals on. So you should have saw that.
I'm gonna do a quick strike of rolling the ball.
Okay. Go, Hickey.
He
Go.
doesn't have to. He doesn't want to.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
Okay, she's a Rudy girl. She's a Rudy girl. This is done. So we're gonna have to.
I'm gonna ride the scooter.
We're not gonna cheat.
We're gonna.
I don't want to do that.
So we're gonna look. These. This is all dumb stuff. This is all dirty.
Yep.
This is why we're gonna move to another house. We're gonna live in the mansion.
Let me talk about our
And then we have
house.
3 pools. Oh!
Okay, right now we're gonna pause the video for a sec.
When we
We're
move
gonna
to
deal
our
with
new
something
house,
that's
we're going to have like a lot of pools and all the beds, everything. We're gonna have new kitchen.
Hey!